Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I just was playing around with a video on object to path, and I've never really played around with the modify the rotation. So this is none, and what's going to happen if you select that and then select the path, you're going to get even stand up guys because we've got it on the bottom. But if you wanted to rotate them, you could do this. You want uniform rotation. And we're going to start, well, I think this is going to make them all the same. It's going to rotate them all the same 15 degrees. So that's no big deal because you could have rotated it ahead of time. But what you can also do is go to progressive, and you could start off with a 15-degree angle and the spin angle, the maximum of 90. Watch what happens. Well, let's do this. Let's take this time, put no starting angle, and we want the last one at 90. So it's laying them down all the way to 90 degrees on the last. This could be very useful if you had, let's say like if you did 25 of them. It would be like, kind of like a dominoes falling type effect. So you can play around, and there's a lot of other things I haven't even started playing with yet. You know, progressive jitter. I don't even know what this is going to do. It just kind of makes them not uniform, you know, sporadic. Like, you know, I made a light bulb, like a Christmas light bulb. I don't think I've still got it on here. I've got a light bulb, I just kind of redrew them. Let's say you take just this one, we'll just do a yellow one. And let's make it a little smaller. And you've got your Christmas lights string, and we're gonna add a little curve to it. And we're gonna put it so it'll be at that side of the item. And we're gonna use a jitter. We can't do 25, but maybe we can do 15. And then we can take our object, hold down the shift and select this, and we're on jitter. So it's going to place those bulbs. I actually got them on the wrong side. I need to put them up here. And it's doing a lot of work. So it's, this time I'm going to move them to the side they need to be on. But what's going to happen is it's going to make them look like they're dangling. Well, so lesson learned, a lot of times the path, you have to actually take this and mirror it the other way to get this to work perfectly, to make it look like it's on that line. But this is going to make it look like it's hanging, and none of the bulbs are, you know, like the same angle. Like those two are going inwardly, that one's hanging straight down. So it's doing it sporadically, and you can, you know, change the range, I think, by different percentages. Let's make it like 25%. See what it does this time. See, it just makes them look more real, like they're not perfectly hanging down. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.